And the knowledge of where these wells and water holes are is passed down from generation to generation. Yeah, it's bluefin tuna.
So we've done about 20 paces and that's the end of town there. Made a multi-grain loaf for tonight. Oh, hang on. It's not going to last till tonight.
Sunset in Stokes Bay on Stanley Island. Not a bad little camper facility here. The water, somewhere to roll your swag, tables and chairs. Oh look, there's even a long drop over there. Oh no, long drop, but the outhouse is gone, I think. We'll go and check it out. One of my pet hates. Aluminium doesn't burn in a fire, in a little fire. So please don't leave your cans in the fire. Just look at this rubbish. It's plastic. Just bits of plastic and stuff everywhere. It's just so sad. No need for it. There's no need for it at all. Anyway, well, there used to be a long drop here, but it's gone now. So instead, now that the long drop's gone, we end up with confetti. There it is. Everywhere. Carry a shovel. Not hard, not rocket science. So there's quite a few of these wells around the place. If that's kept clean, then that water's quite usable. I can see another one over here. We're going to check that one out as well. Now that other one was dry. But water is usually the scarcest commodity out this way. Not so much in the wet season when there's heaps around, but during the dry, it's very rare. So these wells are, and the knowledge of where these wells and water holes are is passed down from generation to generation, so that the next generation also knew where to find water when they needed it. Yeah, it was littered with confetti back there. You know, just carry a spade or a shovel or use a stick and dig a hole. I'm having a rant, but it's one of my pet hates, along with supposed cans in fires that don't burn. Anyway, let's go and go check this out. I might go and wash my feet. See ya. This thunderbox would have had a view and a half. Right, this is where we are, here on Stanley Island, up there, where the mountain pointer is. Stokes Bay is where we spent last night. Then we're heading in a northwesterly course, in between this reef here and then reef there. Then we're going to go between Taiwan Shoal and Grub Reef, and a tiny little bit there. And it'll be nice and smooth because we'll get the calming effects of the reef, the water. And then we're going to change our heading a little bit, head up here, keep going up here and hook around into where the anchor is off Burkett Island there. We might come around here a little bit. It's deep water but more protection. It's not the ideal spot to stop. I would have liked to make it up to here, Morris Island, which is here. It's a much better place to anchor, but it's just too far for us in one day. So that's our plan for today. And if you want to see it on satellite, we can go in here. That's avionics, that's satellite, so that's what it looks like. We're going to drop the pic up here, zoom right in. That's on ArcGIS, and that's on Bing. And then that's if you're running off normal paper charts, that's the information you have there. So there we go, that's where we're going. And it's a shipping lane, as you can see, on one of these. Here we go. No, you can't see there. Here. There's a shipping lane just there, and that runs around and up. But most ships now use this lane here. So, with there's no ships. There's a few ships that are going around the Cape here, but there's no ships where we're going, so we're pretty good for the next few hours. We've got the engine going to charge the batteries, but we're sailing along quite nicely. Just over 5.5 knots with about it'd be 18 knots of breeze out there. Just got a reefed, hard reefed headsail and a mizzen up. That's it. That's where we are.
That's where we are now. So we were going to go there, and then we decided to go there instead. And from there...
So we'll leave here this morning. We'll sail up just outside the shipping channel, and we'll sail over the page. And then we'll come up here, just dodge that reef there, and then we'll stay outside the shipping channel, up here to Morris Island. And that's tonight's stop.
What's the name of this one again?
Hannah.
So we're leaving Hannah.
Island.
Pretty rolly night. And we've got about 20 miles to go today. North.
I forgot to download more charts, so up here there's nothing, and we need internet to do it. But luckily, I do have Garmin charts all the way, and I also have where are we? Here, Transys Marine charts all the way. So I can upload the avionics ones when we get to internet range, which is tomorrow. Otherwise I'll use the other charts. Plus downstairs we have more charts, and on all the phones we have charts. So we've got charts everywhere.
Magnus has been busy brewing beer. I think he's just about to decant it.
Yeah.
We're leaving very early in the morning, about 3. We've got a big day ahead of us. There's nowhere to pull in, so we've just got to do a big stint. Magnus has just caught a fish. Bluefin tuna, we think. We went past Night Island. We're now heading to the Locker River. Hopefully we get there before nightfall. We're going quite fast. So what do you think it is, a bluefin?
Looks like it's bluefin tuna.
Yeah. So we think it's a bluefin tuna. And this is a really good book. It's got very good illustrations in it. So Magnus is filleting it. It's very dark red, isn't it?
Only along that big.
Magnus just said to me, there's a lot of activity up ahead, so I'm just going to throw this line in and see, oh dear.
No, it's just a knot coming out, it's a big fish.
Did we lose a lure?
Oh no, it's only a 10 one.
Oh okay, anyway. He said, I'll see how long it takes to catch fish. And I put the timer on, I think it's about 43 seconds. Oh, he's going to try this one now.
I made a lure the other day, mucking around.
See whether that catches anything.
How long did it take me to catch a fish?
43 seconds. So I'm going to put the timer on again for this one and we'll see what happens, eh?
Come on, hit the new lure. Come on, hit the new lure. Come on. Smack it.
We were going to come over here, dinghy in and get some water, but it's pretty rolly. So I think we're going to leave Lockhart River, is that what it's called? And head to Portland Roads and get water there, which is just a bit up the coast. But look, there's a car! There's a person! We haven't seen anybody for a long time. Just come into Portland Roads. I'm going to try and renew my driver's license.
You're out there? Yeah.
So sweet. So we've done about 20 paces and that's the end of town there. And I think pretty much down there might be the end of town there too. Well, we've reached the city limits. It took about 2 minutes. So now we're going back that way.
Stretch your legs. Do you want to stand in front? Or can you see it?
Oh, it's a spider.
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about the plant. Oh look, what Magnus has found.
That's how big he is.
Oh, that's a big one, that is. Ah!
You wonder how many people have hit those rocks out there at high tide, putting the boat in for the first time.
There's the old jetty. Cafe's closed, we're a bit late. We're 10 minutes late. So no coffee and cake.
Coffee and cake tomorrow.
So over there used to be a landing dock in the war. This is a very busy place. Whoa, what's happening?
I'm going in for a coffee at the cafe. Hopefully it's open. So there we go.
Going that way.
Troop ship.
Yeah, the troop ships, that's where the old jetty used to be over there. And yeah, big ships came in there. It's such a cute little place. I'm not doing very good bommy watch. Better get back to duty. So, hopefully it's open. It says it is.
Yeah, let's see how we go.
So, go and check it out. I love this sign.
It's cool, eh?
Alright, I think it might be up the top of the hill. It's got a little bridge.
Cheers.